Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. I am very happy you are here today.
Yes. Hello. Welcome back, friends. Today, we will learn English with simple stories.
That's right. We will help you improve listening and speaking. And remember, practice is very important.
Exactly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Today's topic is learning English with simple stories. We will talk about daily life, jobs, activities, and more.
Yes, and we will speak slowly and clearly so beginners can follow easily.
Mm. Are you ready? Let's start. Subtopic 1, basic phrases about jobs. Let's start with a simple sentence. I work as a teacher.
Right. Or you can say, I am a doctor. You can use I work as or I am a.
Good. Let's repeat. I work as a teacher.
I am a doctor. Great job. Good pronunciation.
Listen, discuss, listen again. I work as a nurse.
Do you hear it? Repeat after me. I work as a nurse.
Mm, very good. Now, another one. I am a cook.
Repeat, please. I am a cook.
Excellent. Great question. Mini role play. 1. Meeting someone. Hello, I am John. I work as a teacher.
Hi, John. I am Anna. I am a doctor. Nice to meet you.
Repeat after us. Hello, I am John. I work as a teacher.
Hi, John. I am Anna. I am a doctor. Good job.
Subtopic 2. Talking about workplaces. Now, let's talk about workplaces. Some examples are office, school, hospital, shop, factory.
Right. You can say, I work in a school or I work in a hospital.
Let's repeat. I work in a school.
I work in a hospital.
Perfect.
Mmm.
Listen, discuss, listen again. I work in a shop.
Repeat. I work in a shop.
Very good. Now, I work in a factory.
I work in a factory.
Excellent. Great question. Mini role play. Where do you work, Anna?
I work in a hospital. And you?
I work in a school.
Repeat after us. I work in a hospital. I work in a school. Good job.
Subtopic 3. Talking about work activities. Now, let's talk about work activities. For example, teach, help, write, cook, sell.
You can say, I teach children, or I help patients.
Repeat. I teach children.
I help patients.
Great. Listen, discuss, listen again. I write letters.
Repeat. I write letters.
Mhm. I cook food.
I sell products.
Excellent. Good pronunciation. Mini role play. 3. Talking about activities. What do you do at work, Anna?
I help patients. And you, John?
I teach children.
Repeat after us. I help patients. I teach children. Good job.
Subtopic 4. Talking about work hours. Next, let's talk about work hours. We can say full-time, part-time, morning shift, evening shift.
For example, I work full-time. Or I work part-time.
Repeat. I work full-time.
I work part-time.
Perfect.
Mm.
Listen, discuss, listen again. I work in the morning shift.
Repeat. I work in the morning shift.
I work in the evening shift.
I work in the evening shift.
Excellent. Good pronunciation. Mini role play. 4. Talking about work hours. Do you work full-time, Anna?
No, I work part-time. And you?
I work full-time.
Repeat. I work part-time. I work full-time. Good job.
Subtopic 5. Talking about likes and dislikes. Now, let's talk about likes and dislikes. For example, I like my job or I don't like my job.
Right. Repeat. I like my job.
I don't like my job.
Good.
Listen, discuss, listen again. I like teaching.
Repeat. I like teaching.
I don't like writing reports.
I don't like writing reports.
Excellent. Great question. Mini role play. 5. Talking about likes. Do you like your job, Anna?
Yes, I like my job. And you, John?
I don't like writing reports.
Repeat after us. I like my job. I don't like writing reports. Good job.
Wow, we learned a lot today. Let's review the important phrases.
Yes. I work as, or I am a. I work in a school, hospital, shop, factory. I teach, help, write, cook, sell. I work full-time, part-time, morning shift, evening shift. I like my job. I don't like my job.
Great! Now practice speaking out loud. Repeat all sentences slowly.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Practice is more important than perfection.
Before we finish, let's ask our community question. What's your job? And do you like it?
Write your answer in the comments or say it out loud. We love hearing from you.
Thank you for listening today. Keep practicing and have fun.
See you next time in our next episode. Bye, friends.